This podcast is sponsored by authorvoices.ai. Transform your book into a captivating audiobook in minutes, not months, and for just a fraction of the cost. Discover the future of narration at authorvoices.ai today.
Sustainable practices in AI. Book narration, eco-friendly audiobook tips for authors. Discover how authors can adopt sustainable practices in AI book narration to create professional audiobooks with a lower environmental impact. Sustainable practices in AI. Book narration, a guide for authors. As an author, you've poured your heart and soul into your writing, and now it's time to bring your stories to life in audio format. Audiobooks are booming, and with AI technology advancing rapidly, AI book narration has become an exciting, accessible option for storytellers everywhere. But beyond convenience and cost-effectiveness, there's another piece of the puzzle that authors should consider: sustainability. What does sustainability mean when it comes to AI narration for books? It's about minimizing environmental impact, reducing waste, and choosing solutions that align with eco-conscious values, while still delivering professional quality audio. If you want your audiobook journey to be not just successful, but also responsible, here are some guiding principles and tips. Why sustainability matters in AI. Audiobook narration. Traditional audiobook narration involves long studio sessions, physical equipment, travel, and often a large production team. This setup has a carbon footprint through electricity consumption, transportation emissions, and materials used for equipment maintenance. While AI narration might sound like just software running on some server somewhere, the truth is, the digital world has its own environmental costs. Data centers power AI tools, and they consume significant amounts of electricity, sometimes sourced from non-renewable energy. Energy use scales with demand. As more authors choose AI voice generators to narrate their books, usage spikes. Frequent revisions and edits can increase computing hours unnecessarily. Being aware of these factors helps you make smarter choices as an author who cares about the planet. Eco-friendly tips for authors using AI narration. Sustainable audiobook production through AI doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some practical steps you can take. Plan thoroughly before recording. Spend time polishing your manuscript and script to minimize endless editing and re-recording. The less processing time required, the lower the environmental impact. Choose AI platforms committed to green energy. Some AI voice generator services power their infrastructure with renewable sources or participate in carbon offset programs. Research your options. Authorvoices.ai, for example, is dedicated to efficient and sustainable AI audiobook narration. Batch process your audio files. Instead of sending multiple small tasks to the AI, combine them into fewer, larger jobs. This approach reduces overhead energy consumption. Reuse voices and styles. If you're creating a series or multiple audiobooks, staying consistent means less computational effort in generating new AI voices every time. Limit unnecessary downloads and storage. Store only completed files you need. Cloud storage and repeated downloads come with additional energy and resource costs. The power of AI. Narration for sustainability and creativity. Besides the obvious benefits of cost and time savings, AI audiobook narration offers authors a unique chance to champion sustainability. Giving rise to new voices without the traditional overhead, AI narration dramatically trims down the production energy footprint. Plus, with the right mindset, you can harness this technology to keep your creative momentum flowing while lessening your environmental impact. For authors who care about making responsible choices, AI narration platforms like authorvoices.ai provide an accessible, sustainable pathway to bring your books to life. Their tech optimizes computing use, prioritizes renewable energy utilization, and supports creators who want greener storytelling options. Final thoughts. The future of audiobook production is evolving, and authors hold the keys to shape it in an eco-friendly direction. Embracing AI narration is not just about efficiency or affordability, it's about making creative choices that respect the planet's well-being. By planning carefully, selecting conscientious AI voice generator services, and managing your production process thoughtfully, you can create memorable audiobooks with a lighter footprint. Interested in sustainable AI narration for your next book? Check out authorvoices.ai, a platform tailored for authors who want top-notch, environmentally mindful AI audiobook narration. Take this step toward future-friendly storytelling, where your voice can be heard clearly and consciously.